Cube-S operation tutorial. When you open the box of Cube-S Kit 2, you will see there are two versions, one with the USB-C dongle, one with the Lightning dongle. Basic operations. Plug the receiver into the smartphone. It will be turned on automatically. Take the mics out of the charging case. They will be on and paired automatically. You can also long press the orange button for 2 seconds to switch it on and off, and double-click to try pairing. Constant green light means they are paired successfully. One-click the receiver or transmitter. Noise reduction will be activated. Double-click the transmitter. You can start recording videos or taking photos remotely. Charging. Charge your phone through the USB-C port on the receiver. Charge the charging case via the USB-A to USB-C data cable. Godox mic control. Launch the Godox mic app to fine-tune your audio. Just download the app to explore more. Find My. To activate Find My for the first time, plug the USB-C cable into the charging case. Insert the pin into the reset hole on the bottom until the alert sound goes off. You can repeat this step to turn off Find My. To check if the function is on, double-click and the alert sound will be heard. Launch Find My app, search other items, and add Cube-S. Name your microphone, choose an emoji for its profile pic, and the connecting process is completed. Now, redefine your style and sound with the Cube-S. Enjoy recording.